In this video, we're going to talk on very interesting topic. You all have seen DIY videos of aloe vera gels and other gels and get disappointed for not been getting the exact gel-like consistency as we get in the commercial products. So today we are going to reveal the magical ingredient for getting gel-like consistency. If you are curious about it to know what is it, then stay here and watch the full video. Hello and welcome to Cosmetic Academy. Are you curious about to know which is our magical ingredient? So the magical ingredient is Carbomer. If you have ever browsed the ingredient list on the backside of your makeup, skincare or hair care products, you may notice this word before. Which word? That is the Carbomer. And yes, unfamiliar to the most, but not after watching this video. Basically, Carbomers are fluffy white powder, and it has been shown that Carbomers can be used by everyone and have no adverse effect, known to be the safe for all skin types. Firstly, for the gel base, I am using distilled water. After that, I will show it with aloe vera water. I personally prefer to keep the thickening or the gelling agent in an airtight bags. After adding distilled water, I am adding Carbomer powder in it. We have to dissolve it properly as it is fluffy. It gets time to dissolve. When we work with the gelling or the thickening agent, we need to take some precaution as they have the property to absorb any liquid 1000 times more of their own weight. If by mistake the lid of the container not get tightly packed, then the Carbomer start absorbing the moisture from the atmosphere and form a semi-solid mass. Slowly, Carbomer is dissolving in the distilled water. We have to triturate it properly in a same direction. See, it get dissolved, but now it is in liquid phase. Let's keep it aside for becoming it thick. In the meantime, we will make aloe vera water. For making aloe vera water, we need a fresh aloe vera leaf. We just need to peel off it. While doing peeling off, let's more talk about the Carbomers. Most people don't know what Carbomers are, even though they probably get benefit from the use of them every day. See, basically there are the two types of the ingredient. One is active and another one is inactive. So active ingredients offer results and divine value to the products, but inactive ingredients such as Carbomers help those active ingredients to work well. Means Carbomer is a supporting actor in the film. That's it. How chemically it is. So Carbomer describes a series of the polymers made from acrylic acid. As I told you, Carbomer are the white fluffy powder. They are frequently used in the gels in the wide varieties of cosmetics and the personal care products made for skins, hairs, nails and makeup products, as well as dentifrice. After collecting the pulp, grind it in a mixer. I am using the hand blender for grinding it. Why I am using aloe vera water is to give you a rough idea about the aloe vera gel, how it gets thickness in the commercial products. That's it. We have to grind it completely till it becomes in a liquid phase. Serve out the liquid in a bowl. If the consistency of a liquid is more, we can add water to it so that it can remove easily. This is the distilled water gel which we kept aside for getting it thick so it becomes dense. Now we can remove in a separate container. So this thickening agent take time to condense and give us a gel-like consistency. So we have to keep it for a longer 3 to 4 hours to get exact gel-like consistency. This is the aloe vera water. After sieving, I boiled it in a double boiler. For aloe vera water also, we have to do the same procedure which we have done with the distilled water. So after adding aloe vera water, add some carbomer in it and saturate in the same direction so it get mixed properly. Again, in the mean duration, we will talk about the benefits of the carbomer for the skin. So carbomer alone won't really do much to improve the condition of your skin or treat an existing issue or the concern. They can offer benefits when featured in the certain products. Like they may not be the star of the show, but the whole thing couldn't really come together without their help. So carbomer is an important ingredient. So let's also keep this solution aside for getting it thick. These are the 3 containers in which 3 gel bases are present with a different consistency. Reason why I am showing this is that you can get an idea how gel look at the different consistency, as well as when you make your own gel, you can customize its consistency according to your own choice or according to your own wish. Whenever you formulate anything, each and every ingredient have its minimum to the maximum limit to be used in a formulation. We can use carbomer between 0.2 to 1% in a formulation. From these 3 containers, first container have the gel which I made just now with the distilled water. I used 0.2% of the carbomer in it. Now in the second container, I used a 0.5% of carbomer in it. So this is how its consistency is. And in the third container, I used the 1% of the carbomer in it. You can see the difference in the thickness, how dense it is. As you can see, first container gel is not as thick as the second and the third one. See how viscous it is, even it is not falling out from the spoon. Moving to the next, I have the 2 commercial products of the aloe vera gel. So let's check out the product and its ingredient list. So this is the product from inside. Whenever we apply the product which have the carbomer in it, so it improves the texture of our skin as it can easily absorb and retain the water, and they can expand easily up to the 1000 times of its original volume. That's why carbomer also used in the shampoos, conditioners, creams, lotions, and also it gives the richness, smoothiness and the creaminess to the formulation. Now let's find out where is the carbomer present in the ingredient list. So here the carbomer. Let's check out in the second container. Here's the carbomer. So in many aloe vera gels you can find carbomer as an ingredient in the ingredient list. So carbomer is our magical ingredient. This is what our video is about. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.